In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly sync your camera video with external audio using Adobe Premiere Pro. This technique is useful when you have recorded audio separately, aiming for higher quality than what your camera's built-in microphone can provide. Let's dive into the process so you can enjoy the magic of perfectly aligned audio and visual storytelling. First off, ensure you've got your video clip, complete with its built-in or camera audio, and your separate, high-quality audio files imported into your project panel in Premiere Pro. Take a moment to double-check that everything you need is right there in your project library before we proceed. Next, in either the project panel or the timeline, carefully select both the video clip and the audio clip that you want to synchronize. Remember, this selection step is crucial because Premiere Pro needs to know exactly which files you're aiming to merge. With your clips selected, you're going to right-click and choose the Merge Clips option. Depending on where you're working from, you might find this option as Clip, Merge Clips, or simply Merge Clips within the contextual menu. This selection brings up the handy Merge Clips dialog box where the magic really happens. Inside the dialog box, you'll need to choose a synchronization point. If you have a clap or a specific cue, like a time code, in and out points, or a marker, these can work well, but we often rely on the audio itself for many projects. If you're using the audio waveforms to sync, go ahead and select audio as your synchronization point. This tells Premiere to align the clips based on their waveforms, matching them up perfectly, even if the starting points differ slightly. There's also an optional setting here that might come in handy. You can choose to remove the audio from the original video clip if you only wish to use the external audio. Just check the box labeled Remove Audio from AV Clip if that's your preference. But remember, only do this if you're certain the external audio is of better quality and complete. Otherwise, you might miss out on some important sound elements if something wasn't captured correctly in the secondary recording. Once everything is set, click OK. With that, Premiere creates a fresh, new, merged clip for you in your project panel. This new clip is a blend of your original video and the high-quality audio you've selected, aligned perfectly in sync. Now the last step is simple. Drag that newly merged clip into your timeline. It behaves just like any other clip, but you now have the advantage of professionally synced sound. This makes editing a breeze, ensuring your final piece resonates with both audio clarity and visual precision. And that's it. You're now ready to edit with confidence, knowing your audio and video are beautifully synchronized. Happy editing!